guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an Ulta haul with a little bit of drugstore makeup as well. So I'm doing like an Ulta Walmart haul, I guess is what I'm saying. So if you like to see some of the things that I picked up, please keep watching. So the first thing I got, I haven't used this Purity face cleanser in a really long time, and I saw this like holiday set, so this was $20, and this is what it looks like. So you get the Purity cleanser, you get the exfoliating face wash, and then the moisturizer. I've never tried the exfoliating face wash or the moisturizer. I've only tried the cleanser. So this was 20 bucks. I thought that was like a good deal. So I'm excited for this. Then I got the Biolage Restore Keratin Dose Pro Keratin Plus Silk Shampoo and Conditioner. I usually buy like the purple one, which I think is like the hydrating one. And then I saw this, so I thought it might be good. It says shampoo for over-processed hair, which, I mean, I bleach the crap out of mine, so. And then we have the conditioner. So we have the shampoo and the conditioner. So I'm excited to try this because I really like Biolage. I've just never tried like this one. It says awaken over-processed hair with a system designed to restore lost essentials. So I guess we'll see. Next, I have this Morphe palette that I got from Ulta. It's the 35M palette. Did they change? I feel like the last time I bought a Morphe palette, it was like the smaller ones. I didn't realize that they changed their bigger ones to like, I don't know. It feels like a more like thicker plastic. But I thought this was really pretty. Oh man. So there is a little sheet in there that has all the names, and then we have all these shades right here. I mainly bought this because I really like these green shades right here, and I don't think I have any palette that has those green shades, and I really want to do like an olive eye. But I feel like most of Morphe's palettes, have you guys noticed that like the bottom 2 or 3 rows are like all dark brown shades that are all just like a teeny bit different, but they're like the same shade? Like that drives me nuts. Like this is the first palette that I've seen from Morphe that has like different colors other than 3 rows of brown shades. So it made me want to buy it. And then this little like reddish maroon shade right here is really pretty. Like I just really like it. And Morphe shimmers are really pretty too. So ooh, the matte shades feel really nice. But I love their like shimmer shades. I think they're gorgeous. So we have some swatches right here. Don't those look so pretty? Like even these 4 shadows I just randomly swatched would be such a pretty eye color. They'd be such a pretty look for the eyes, like all together. That matte one didn't swatch that well because I have like a body luminizer thing on there, but these, like those are gorgeous. Next I have the Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. I'm pretty sure I found this on the sale tab, and I got this shade Shell. That's really pale. This tan that I got from the summertime is hanging on, which I'm not mad at, but I bought a bunch of like foundations that are like my normal winter skin tone shade. It's like by the time I'd be able to wear this, it'd be time for me to go get another tan. So I guess we'll have to see. Maybe I can make it work. I don't know. It says the ultimate coverage in a surprisingly weightless and breathable cream, a perfectly balanced distribution of pigment and water at high concentrations allow the formula to adapt to all skin types. Lightweight and oil-free, it creates a second skin effect of undetectable, flexible coverage with natural long-wearing finish. Then I got this, I think I got this from the sale tab too from Ulta. This is the Model's Own Sculpt and Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. I actually just hauled like a single highlighter like this and I wasn't that impressed. But the reason why I ordered some stuff from Model's Own was because I got an eyeshadow palette from them a couple months ago and it was really good. Or it is really good, I still have it. But this is the packaging. This is in the shade Light Tan 01. That's really warm. That's like super orange. I don't think that that would look really good on my skin. I like more like neutral true bronzer shades. I don't know. We'll have to see. Then I was super excited. Sara Happ makes some of my favorite lip products and now she's available at Ulta. I used to only buy it from Nordstrom's, but this is the Dream Slip Renew. So I have the lip slip I really like, and then I have the pink clay mask I really like too, but it's messy and it kind of like gets all over my stuff. But I wanted to try this, and this had really good reviews. So I wanted to try this. So this says, slather a generous amount of this Luxe Creamy Chamomile Balm onto lips at bedtime. Feel the soothing hydration melt in, renewing your lips as you sleep. Wake up to a smooth, soothe pout. 60 uses. This says lip tip works perfectly after restoring with our sweet clay lip mask, which is I think what I was just telling you guys about. I mean, it doesn't smell the best, but. Then I also got this from the sale tab. This is from Japonesque, and it's the matte liquid lipstick, smooth, immaculate, and precise, and it's in the shade red. Never tried any liquid lipsticks from Japonesque. I feel like not a lot of people talk about them, so I mean the packaging isn't anything special. Oh, it's a really pretty shade. That's really pretty. I like it, actually. Then I went to, so my Walmart, I used to be able, okay, not used to, I never been able to, but like the Walmarts here in California, I feel like with my experience have always been like super like trashed. All the makeup products has been broken, used, or people like write all over stuff with it, and then nothing's ever in stock. But they made it to where you have to pay back in the cosmetics section, and then they put cameras everywhere, so I think that really helped, because the last couple of times I've been there, everything for the most part is in stock, and not everything is like all messed up like how it normally is. So I got a few things. I thought this was cool. So this is one of the new Milani palettes. This is Pure Passion Kit. It comes with the Pure Passion eyeshadow palette and then one eyeshadow primer, which I don't use eyeshadow primer, so I'll probably just give that away. But to get both was the same price just to get the palette, and then this is like super taped in there, so I figured nobody could touch it. So I went ahead and got it in this box. So this is what it looks like. I have the first two they first came out with, and I really like them, so I wanted to get this one. You do get a mirror. Mine seems a little chunky right there. These are the shades right here. So these are like warm tone, kind of like cranberry, pinky, shimmery shades. So I think this would be a really good palette to transition from daytime to nighttime. Like you could do something light for the day, and then if you didn't have time to like redo all your makeup, you could just throw on some of these darker shades and like be out the door. So I think this would be a really nice palette, and I feel like these are all wearable shades. So I'm excited to use this. Then I got the Soft and Sultry palette, is the Cool Tones one, which I feel like, yes. So that's this one right here. So again, you have some shimmer shades, some matte shades. You could do daytime and then switch it to nighttime like real fast. I like cool tones. I feel like majority of people only like warm tones, but I like cool tones. I think they look really good on fair skin with blonde hair. I don't know what it is, but like I love me like a gray smoky eye. I think this will be really fun to play with. And yeah, I just don't feel like a lot of people do like cool tone makeup tutorials, so I feel like I could start throwing some on my channel. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but I'm excited for this. Then at Ulta I got I've been wanting this for a while, and I really wanted to get it in the first Boxy Luxe, but I didn't sign up in time, so I just went ahead and bought it because I've been wanting it since it first came out. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Contour Palette, I believe. Oh, this packaging. This is so nice. Okay, so I think you get two like concealer shade set powders. I think these two are like matte powders that you could set your concealer with, and I think the rest of these are supposed to be like bronzer contour shades. It smells really good. So there are no highlighters in there, I don't think. Yeah, but that's okay. Next, I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Lip Pencil in the shade Mocha. I really like the Estee Lauder lip pencils and the Lancome lip pencils. Like, they're so creamy and so pigmented, and they don't do that thing where like once you use it, it like gets stuck back in the thing, kind of like the Kylie lip liners. These don't do that, and they have a brush so where you can blend on one side and then the product on the other. Like, I just really like these. And that's the shade right there. Then I got this was on the sale tab. This is the Tarte Clay Stick Foundation. I only got one, so hopefully it's a good shade match. This is light, medium, neutral. It's a lot smaller than I thought it was gonna be, so I'm glad that I got it on sale. This is a nice package. I like this packaging. Yeah, I think I could actually wear this right now. Unlike that Becca one that was like super pale. So I'm excited for this. Then I got the new NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. There's a lot of different shades of this. This says I got the shade Nude, and it's a 24-hour matte finish, which is always interesting because I have dry skin. So yeah. I think I could make this work. We'll see. Then I want to do a video testing out Bare Minerals. So I wanted to get the Bare Minerals Bare Skin Concealer. So this is the Complete Coverage Serum Concealer, and I got the shade Light. Is it just me, or do people not talk about Bare Minerals either? I feel like nobody talks about Bare Minerals. This looks like it's going to be pretty nice. Then I have 2 lip products right here. I hauled some of these already, and I think they're going to be my new favorite lipsticks from the drugstore. This is new to me. I think it's just new in general. This is from L'Oreal. This is the packaging, and I think it's their new mattes. This is in the shade Ultra Nude, but the other ones I swatched were super creamy and matte, and I was obsessed. Okay, yeah. I think I'm gonna have to go back and get all the shades. They're super creamy, they're super pigmented, and they're matte. And then we have a Jaclyn Hill made me buy it. It's been a minute since we've had one of those products in this haul. So this is the new Maybelline Baddest Beige lipstick, and I feel I bought 2 other shades in this before this one became famous. And to me, I feel like these are like the Whisper lipsticks, but just repackaged and renamed. Like, if you guys remember those, tell me. I'm pretty sure that these are the Maybelline Whisper lipsticks, that they seriously just changed the name and put them in a different package. But here's the shade right there. I think this will be a really pretty, like, everyday shade. It's not too pigmented, but it's not too shiny either. It's like, I don't know. I think it would be a really pretty, like, lip topper too. Next, I got this Colourpop highlighting palette. This was on sale for 20% off, and I think it's an Ulta exclusive. I could be wrong, but this is the Got Me Beaming Pressed Powder Highlighter, and this is what it looks like. It says Got Me Beaming on the front, and then here are the shades right here. I think I'll be able to wear like all of these. Ooh, I like these. Those are really pretty, and I like the formula. Here's some of the shades. Or here are all the shades, what am I saying? These are really pretty. Then I have this Japonesque Ombre highlighter. Look at this box. This was also on the sale tab. So this is what it looks like. It kind of reminds me of the Kevyn Aucoin Neo highlighters. Like, tell me that doesn't look exactly like that. This looks like you have a lighter. What? That is gorgeous. Oh my gosh. I like want to try this like right now. I have 2 things left. I got the Estee Lauder Double Wear Stay in Place Flawless Concealer because I have the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation I want to try, so I wanted to try it with the concealer. I feel like I heard mixed reviews about this when it first came out, so I just wanted to try it out for myself. I got the shade 1C Light. Ooh, and then the last thing I have, I kept looking at this and I was like, no, yes, no, yes, no, yes. I decided to get it because it went on sale. This is the BH Cosmetics Desert Oasis palette. And like, I really like how this looks. It's really pretty. It says it's the 19 color shadow and highlighter palette. Oh, okay. I don't think I realized that it had highlighters in it. Wow. Okay, I'm glad that I got this, but I'm even happier that it was on sale. Wow, these highlighters. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to play with this. Those eyeshadow shades look gorgeous. Okay guys, so that's everything from my Ulta haul and my drugstore makeup haul. Let me know if you guys have tried any of these products in the comments below and what you think. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and please give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.